बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलातु वस्सलाम अलैका या रसूलल्लाह वस्सलाम अलैका या हबीब अल्लाह। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मलिक फैज़ वार्ड एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूं आप तमाम दोस्त सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह ताला आप तमाम दोस्तों को सेहत के साथ लंबी ज़िंदगी अता फरमाए। मेरी आप तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, घंटी और लाइक के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन 534। सेक्शन 534 omitted by the criminal law extension of discriminatory privilege एक्ट 1949 सेकेंड ऑफ 1950 शेड्यूल। सेक्शन 535 effect of omission to prepare charge। Number 1, no finding or sentence pronounced or passed shall be deemed invalid merely on the grounds that no charge was framed unless in the opinion of the court of appeal or revision. A failure of justice has in fact has occasioned thereby. Number 2, if the court appeal or revision thinks that a failure of justice has been occasioned by an omission to frame a charge, it shall order that a charge to frame and that the trial be recommended from the point immediately after the framing of the charge. Section 536 omitted by the Law Reforms Ordinance 1972 of 1972 Atom 174 WEF 26 12 1975. Section 537 finding a sentence when reversible by reason of error or omission in charge or other proceedings, subject to the provisions inherent herein before contained. No finding in sentence order passed by a court of competent jurisdiction shall be reversed or altered under chapter or on appeal or revision on account A of any error, omission or irregularity in the complaint report by police officer under section 173, summons, warrant, charge, proclamation, order, judgment or order, proceedings under this code are explanation in determining whether any error, omission or irregularity in any proceeding under this code has occasioned a failure of justice. The court shall have regard to the fact whether the objection could and should have been raised at an earlier stage in the proceedings. Section 538 attachment not illegal person making some not trespasser for defect or want or of form in proceedings. No attachment made under this code shall be deemed unlawful, nor shall any person making the same to deem a trespasser or account of any defect or want of from in the summons. A trespasser or on account of any defect or want of form in the summons, conviction, writ of attachment of other proceedings relating thereto. Section 539 court sends persons before Home affidavits may be sworn. Affidavits and affirmation to be used before any court, high court, or any officer of such court may be sworn and affirmed before such court, that such court or any commissioner or other person appointed by such court for that purpose, or any judge or any commissioner for taking affidavit in any court of record in Pakistan. Section 539. 539A. Affidavits and proof of conduct of public servant. Number one, when any application is made to any court in the course of any inquiry that or other proceedings under this code, and an allegation are made therein respecting any public servant, the application may give evidence of the facts. Evidence of the facts alleged in the application by affidavit, and the court may, if it thinks fit, order that evidence relating to such facts be so given. Section so given. An affidavit to be used before any court other than a high court under this section may be sworn or affirmed in the manner prescribed in section 539, or before any magistrate. Affidavits under this section shall be confined to and shall state separately such facts as the deponent is able to prove from his own knowledge, and such as he has reasonable grounds to believe to be true, and in the latter case the deponent shall clearly state the grounds of such belief. Number 2, the court may order any schedulous, scandalous and irrelevant matter in an affidavit to be struck out on or amended. सेक्शन 539 भी इंशाल्लाह हम कल पढ़ेंगे। कल तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दें। इजाज़त लेने से पहले मैं आप तमाम दोस्तों से का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और गुजारिश करता हूं कि मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, घंटी और लाइक के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके और आप इससे फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। ख़ास तौर पर जो मेरे दोस्त यंग वकला हजरात हैं उनसे मेरी गुजारिश है कि वो अगर जुडिशरी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ये बहुत ही अहम टॉपिक हैं, वो गौर से सुने और इससे फ़ायदा हासिल करें। अल्लाह आप तमाम दोस्तों का हामी और नासिर हो। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान आर्मी पाइंदाबाद। अल्लाह हाफिज़।